Imagine a cosmic symphony played by an immeasurable number of stars, planets, and moons, all in perfect harmony. However, one section of this orchestra has perplexed astronomers for centuries: exoplanets. These are natural planets that exist outside our solar system, hidden deep in the Milky Way. Among them, there's one exoplanet so tantalizingly similar to Earth that it could be considered our planet's celestial twin. We delve into the fascinating realm of Proxima b, located just 4.2 light-years away. The James Webb Space Telescope is revolutionizing our search for and understanding of these celestial enigmas. Imagine, for a moment, that your mind travels across the vast astronomical realm of our galaxy, the Milky Way, home to more than a quadrillion exoplanets. That's one with 15 zeros. To put this number into perspective, if each exoplanet were the size of a grain of sand, we wouldn't just fill the Grand Canyon. We'd have enough to create an entirely new geological monument on Earth, a Grand Canyon 2.0 stretching 4 miles deep. What's even more surprising is that about 20% of these exoplanets are classified as Earth-like in terms of geological and atmospheric structure. This means there is a 1 in 5 chance of finding an Earth twin. Alongside these planets, there could be another quadrillion moons, rocky satellites locked in gravitational dances with their parent planets. The cosmos presents an abundance of opportunities for discovering another world that harbors life, or could potentially do so. Now that we've unfolded the canvas of cosmic scale, it's time to introduce the master artist equipped to paint its intricate details, the James Webb Space Telescope. This celestial Sherlock Holmes, with its magnifying lens replaced by telescopic optics, outperforms even the most advanced smartphone cameras. We're not talking about just any lens. Its 6.5-meter primary mirror is 2.7 times larger than Hubble's, allowing it to detect even the faintest flicker of a star billions of light-years away and analyze the details of orbiting planets. What makes James Webb revolutionary is not just its power, but also its advanced technology, including infrared sensors and spectrographs. These tools do more than observe. They analyze and filter unique light signatures emitted or reflected by celestial objects to decipher their atmospheric conditions, composition, density, and even mass. Acting as a space forensic scientist, the telescope can determine whether a planet has water, organic compounds, or even oxygen, transforming it from a mere observer into an analytical genius. If Hubble's discoveries amazed you, prepare for a celestial revelation like never before. As we broaden our gaze across the cosmic landscape, one particular star in this celestial show deserves our focus: Proxima b. Since its discovery in 2016, this enigmatic planet has stood out like a Shakespearean protagonist, full of complexities and paradoxes, captivating both astronomers and anthropologists alike. What makes Proxima b so fascinating? For starters, it is practically in our cosmic neighborhood, just 4.2 light-years from Earth. To put that in perspective, if you could travel at the speed of light, you'd get there in just over 4 years, the same amount of time it takes for a popular TV show to fall into decline or a presidential term to end. But what makes Proxima b truly special is not just its proximity, but the tantalizing clues suggesting that this planet is not only Earth-like, but possibly Earth 2.0. It sits comfortably in the habitable zone of its parent star, meaning conditions could be just right for liquid water to exist. Imagine waterfalls, meandering rivers, vast lakes, and perhaps even deep oceans, mysterious like the Mariana Trench. However, before we dream of vacationing on Proxima b, we must consider some peculiarities. A single day on this planet lasts a staggering 11 Earth days. Imagine sunrises that stretch for days, resisting the arrival of noon, and sunsets that last endlessly, creating golden hours that photographers would dream of. While this sounds picturesque, it has significant implications for the planet's climate and habitability. How would human biorhythms adapt to such a unique day-night cycle? Would we eat 3 times more in a single day on Proxima b? Would we sleep differently? This planet presents a riddle wrapped in a conundrum, testing our understanding of habitability in ways we've never imagined. But how do we obtain reliable data about a world we've never visited? This is where James Webb's cutting-edge technology comes into play. More than just a telescope, it functions as a multifaceted research laboratory in space. Using advanced spectrographs, Webb can analyze the light emitted and reflected by distant planets. Each element or compound in a planet's atmosphere absorbs or emits light at specific wavelengths, allowing scientists to perform a remote biopsy of celestial bodies. By studying these light patterns, we can determine atmospheric pressure, density, and even the presence of water, organic molecules, and oxygen, all essential for life. This is not just astronomy, it's space forensics. Instead of waiting passively for clues, we actively search for them, decoding the atomic and molecular fingerprints of these distant worlds. The James Webb Telescope is more than just an eye in the sky. It is an analyst, a laboratory, and a cosmic detective all in one. Just when we think we've uncovered all the mysteries, the story takes an unexpected twist. Like a science fiction thriller, researchers using James Webb captured something extraordinary, a signal from Proxima b that defied explanation. This signal was so unusual that it swept through scientific circles and social media, labeled as a possible technosignature. It was an electromagnetic emission so complex and patterned that some speculated it could indicate an advanced civilization. For a moment, the entire world held its breath. Could this be proof that we are not alone in the universe? But just as quickly as the signal appeared, it vanished, never repeating, leaving behind only silence and a maze of unanswered questions. Was it a mere cosmic anomaly, a fluke of nature, or something deliberate, a coded message? Was it a manifestation of a hidden cosmic force? The mystery surrounding Proxima b deepens, fueling debate and speculation. Is this just the beginning of a greater cosmic revelation? But the story doesn't end here. Harvard researchers are now leading a paradigm shift in our search for extraterrestrial life. Instead of just studying signals, they are turning James Webb into a cosmic night vision telescope to search for artificial light sources on distant worlds. This means we might one day detect cities glowing in the dark, like luminous islands in the vast cosmic ocean. Imagine seeing the radiant skyline of an alien metropolis from across the galaxy, a civilization far beyond our own, casting its glow into space. What do you think? Does Proxima b hold the key to humanity's biggest question? Are we alone? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. If you like this video, remember to like and subscribe.